In this video, I'll show you how you can fix the Steam download speed drops down to 0. Now, the way that you can fix this is there's 3 different possibilities. The first one, you can press up here and go to settings. From in here, you want to choose downloads and press limit download speed. Now, when you do this, you're going to change this to a number. So let's say 5, 10, and you can try and increase it as well, but start with a small amount. Try and do this and see if this fixes your issue. So just turn it off and then you can go restart Steam. Now, if this one doesn't fix your issue, another thing you can try is if you have another drive. So if I go to my PC, you'll see I have 2 right here. What you want to do is you want to install Steam on your C drive as well as the game that you're trying to install. Now, let's say you have Steam on the D drive for some reason. It might cause issues, so make sure Steam and the game you're installing is on your C drive. Now, this can be a little bit annoying because I have much more space on my D drive, but that's just how it is. Now, the last one, if you want to have it on the D drive, there's a thing that you can try which might solve the issue. The way that you can do that is by opening up Device Manager. In here, go to Disk Drives, find your second drive, right-click on it, Properties, Policies, and then disable this one. Now when you disable this one and press OK, this might also fix the issue. Now try any of these 3 and see if it helps. If it did, please leave a like and subscribe as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.